Hey, welcome back everybody. I just want to introduce you to the first pro tips with Scott. I've been a veteran working on Austroflamms and Rikas for over 35 years. So what this series is going to be is small little clips. It's going to just give you quick ideas and tips that I've learned over the years. Like today, for instance, I'm going to show you how to clean your glass door without having to go out and spend any money, or if you do, what you can get at the dollar store. Okay, let me show you. What we do here in the shop in order to keep our stove glass clean so that we can see through nice crystal clear, we don't have to deal with soot. And one thing that you want to understand is you don't want to let your stove doors stay dirty too long, because that creosote literally bakes on to, especially if you have a damp pellet, because there's moisture in the pellet, and when it burns, it actually releases a condensation and it has a tendency to liquefy the creosote on the glass, and then the heat bakes it on. And some of you know this, that are veterans out there that have been burning pellets for a long time. The product that I use is a dollar store product. You know, it might be at your dollar store or not, but this is just an overall household cleaner. This one is spick and span, and it's highly concentrated. It cost me $1, I think $1.50. And so I get quite a few bottles out of this, and I just purchased myself a spray bottle. This one isn't from the Dollar Tree. This is a little bit better quality, but then I get myself a 5-pack of these abrasive but safe to use on glass scrub pads. Never use any type of Brillo pad with wire type product in it and so forth, because once you start scratching the glass, that's it. That glass is going to stay scratched forever, and you just don't want to use anything too abrasive. I've got a damp rag, old shop rag. This is my concentrated spray. Nice spray the glass down, okay? Now I'm in a shop, so if you're in your home and you don't want your hearth and so forth to get, you know, all messy, put a towel underneath the door. Then what you're going to want to do is take your pad, and I normally also spray my pad here, okay? And then just get in there and work it. And I put about a minute or two into my glass. I don't really get too overly particular about it. I just want to make sure that if I'm making videos, you're going to be able to see. And this concentrated cleaner for $1.50, heck of a deal. I mean, think about it. You buy yourself an actual glass cleaner online, you're talking about spending $5 to $10, maybe even a little bit more on some sites, okay? And I obviously try to keep costs down any place I can, which way society's going these days, the cost of everything. You know, it's no longer a dollar store. I call it the 6-quarter store, because it seems like everything is $1.50 on up. Okay, you can see here, just working it. Work it, Scott, work it. Okay, making it all purty, ma. Now remember, don't use anything too abrasive, because you do not want to scratch your glass. Okay? Then what I do is I take my damp rag, wipe it on down like so. Ooh. Plus you get that spick and span smell. Okay, so there you go. Look at how beautiful that is. I'm telling you. $1.50, 5 for $1. Old rag, spray bottle. Forget about those $10 bottles of glass cleaner. Stay tuned for the next Pro Tips with Scott. We'll see you then. That's what I do. Peace.